Hey everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media, and you'll notice there's a smirk on my face, and I don't think I'm going to wipe it off for months. This has been an unreal opportunity for myself. I don't even know where to begin. So I'm out at Prairie Fire Paint here in Concert, Alberta, and Rob Polson is a magician of Mopar restoration, just the same. Lots of videos that I bring to you come from Radical Restorations, which is about a half an hour that way. So I got a call, and these cars, so 70 Charger, 500, 383 4-speed car, and we're going to go through both cars. I haven't decided if it's going to be one or two videos, but I'm super excited. Behind me is a 70 Charger RT 444 speed, buckets console 4-speed. And, well, I mean, this is my passion, and I've never touched a pink one until now. So here at Prairie Fire, there is 4 pink cars here right now. I know you only see 2, but in the back, there's a 70 CUDA, one of 2 440 automatics, and the other one is a twin to this Charger in sequential VIN. Same, black buckets console 4-speed. So at one time, the other ones are getting restored. We're not going to show you those. These are the 2 that are coming up for the video. So these cars haven't ran in 12 years. So through Rob got a hold of me and asked if I'd be interested in having a go at them, see if we can get them lit up and just see what we can see. And I can tell you this has been an awesome couple-hour experience. They both run. They run awesome. I had to go through the carburetor on this one, but awesome. We did oil changes in them. They run so good now. They just need a good run. Like anything that's been sitting for a long time, all the oils are up and everything. They just need a run. So I don't know what else to say. I'm speechless. Thank you, Rob from Prairie Fire Paint. You know, check him on Instagram and Facebook. They just do amazing stuff here. And these cars are just wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. So let's start with the walk around. I'm just catching my breath here. I don't know what time it is. It's late, and I got to get back to Saskatoon yet. So let's begin. All right, here we go. So we're going to start with the 500. I am a sucker for white interior, so I'm going to start with the 500, and it's the closest one to me here. All right, so not numbers matching, but a real 383 4-speed car. Now, I think, again, doesn't matter what I think, but this is how I feel, I suppose. The white and the pink really complement each other. Don't forget about the Pink Panther in the back. Obviously, I'm going to have to put some kind of Pink Panther music in the back of this video, or I'm going to do a bunch of shorts. I got lots of running video of this car because we had them, like I said, we have them lit up already. And they run, now that they've had 10 minutes, 15 minutes of runtime, they run actually quite nice. So yeah, bench seat with the fold down armrest and the 4-gear. I mean, I love this setup. R11, so AM radio. Now, what I like about this one, and some people probably don't care necessarily, but this one's from Edmonton. This is a Canadian car. Crosstown Motors. It was sold new out of Edmonton. So I think that is super cool. Now, underneath, I'll see if I can get a squat down view there of what, again, I think they done the overspray. These were restored quite a few years ago, and they show super well. Like, they haven't ran in 12 years, so, I mean, they have limited runtime on them, right? So, yeah. When else are you going to get into a room and have 2 pink Chargers, let alone just 1 pink car? So, yeah, I'm super stoked to bring these to you. I guess you can probably imagine that I'm just flying off the handle here, but it's been awesome being out here with Rob, just chatting about cars that are coming up to being restored here, or ones that have been done before. And yeah, he is awesome. So this one, TikTok Tack. And we have, your basic rally cluster, white interior. I would say not straightforward. I'm going to show you the fender tag. So this one, I looked at it. There's a couple of things I've never seen these before. And like I said, didn't research them in the couple hours I was here. I was too busy working. But let's zoom in on that fender tag. And it's fairly full, which is awesome. So we'll start at the bottom. So E63, 383, D21, 4-speed. So XP29, that's the Charger 500 with the sport roof. N is 383 and 0 is 1970. G is St. Louis, I believe, and then your VIN sequence. So FM3, so a non-vinyl roof. Panther pink or Plymouth Moulin Rouge. A01, so it's got the light package. So the signal lights are in the hood, and I'll show you those in a second. M20. So Y07 is the Canadian part. 26 is the 26-inch rad. R11 is the AM radio. Interior. Interior, we have, C6. It's hard to see here through my phone. C6XW, which makes sense. We have white. EW1 is white. 3 of 10, so that's March 10th was scheduled production date. So when this was put together, this thing was detailed, on the valve covers. Like, it went to the next level of assembly line restoration, with the markings here and all underneath. It is all got the dabs and the swatches. And I'll see if I can get you some video. Underneath, there's our lower control arms. There's our dots and our divots there. It's wicked. Just wicked. I don't know what else to tell you. So this has just been an absolute pleasure to be part of this tonight. I don't know what else to say. So, what do we think? Like, subscribe, comment, give me what you got. Try and keep it positive. If you want to be negative, I guess, I'll try and be positively back to your negativity. But again, I don't ever pretend to know everything, but I am definitely a vintage muscle car enthusiast, and Mopar at this moment has always been and always will be my number one jam. I love Chevys also and Fords, but this is something that may never happen again in my lifetime. So I'm just thankful and grateful out here to be out at Prairie Fire to have a chance to light these up. So next up, we're going to talk about the RT. So I'm going to bust off here, get another video going for another Wednesday. So take care. Thanks for watching. I probably won't put these videos back to back, so be patient. All right. Take care. Again, said it a couple times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you watched the whole video, I'm going to start this now. If you've watched the whole video, please comment Panther. All right? Panther. All right. Take care, and we'll see you down the trails. Thanks for watching.